I'm going to take you through a typical workflow on MIP and show you some of the data that we surface and give you a sense of the kind of actions and the kind of value that a user will get from using the MIP solution. When I log in, I'm met with this dashboard. And this dashboard is my snapshot, my overview of what's happening in the organization, a specific factory. In this case, I could be a manufacturing manager, production manager, responsible for a number of sites around the globe. I can immediately see where there are issues. I can see where there are problems on specific assets, as well as the work orders that those might be affecting. So I really know where to go and take action in order to produce valuable outcomes. I have a series of quick links here to different parts of MIP, but I also have completely configurable overviews of different metrics that I might be interested in. Now if I click through, I can see I've got my problems here that might require my attention. But clicking through to the UK, I now get a more detailed view of this set of my data. I can look at things like throughput, and I can also adjust the time frame that I'm looking at. So if I want to look at today, I can get an overview of how availability is varied over the day. Now, this data is the same data we were looking at from the international view, it's just a different filter. No matter what level you're analysing, it's always from the same data set, it's just a different view. So if I just zoom in now into the machine that I can see is causing a problem, I get this snapshot. I get a series of data points and a series of metrics that tell me the number of parts I've produced, stoppages this machine has had, its availability, and also previous operations and previous events. Now these previous events, actionable clues that tell me what might be causing any issues that this machine's facing now and any common problems that I might need to resolve. Now already here there's a clue that this machine's had several stoppages because it's been waiting for material. I can look at this in more detail by going into the work order that that machine is working on. And here I can see a breakdown of availability, throughput, all the same metrics. And also here I can see when this machine has been waiting for material and how that's affected throughput in this case. That gives me information that I need to then go to the shop floor and look for ways of addressing that specific problem. Looking at the work order, I can see this machine is queued up to do some future stages as well. If I had different issues with this machine, I might decide to go and use a different machine or split my particular operation in order to bring this work order back on track, because I can currently see here it's overdue. I might look at this in different views in order to process the data more easily. But everything here designed to be interactive, surface this data and allow the user to go and take real action.